Imagine a school whose objective is to form free-thinking individuals, able to give purpose to their own lives. That promotes the healthy development of the physical body, the intellect, and the social-emotional well-being of a child. Where a child is a child, encouraged to use their hands, heart, and head. A school with activities that stimulate imagination and creative and critical thinking, with predictable rhythm and engaged hands-on learning. Imagine an education that encourages compassion, conscience, and wonder. Where authenticity, spontaneity, and humility are nurtured. An education that develops readiness and independence with a healthy sense of self, creating balance between individuality and community. A school where education is not just information, but forming, informing, and transforming. Dedicated to nurturing the whole child. Our developmentally based curriculum is rich in the arts, music, movement, nature, and engaged hands-on learning. Welcome to the Comox Valley Waldorf School.